Hello, hello, hello. By joining this free class, text demo to 813-813. That's DEMO to 813-813. Turbocharge your options trading with VantagePoint. Trading involves financial risk that is not suitable for all investors. We agree to the terms available at VantagePointSoftware.com and consent to receive calls and texts using
Galing ako ng
technology
doktor.
about offers or info
Ito.
by or on behalf of
May ano
VantagePoint.
ako.
Your consent is not a condition to purchase and can be revoked at any time.
Na
Message
ano
and data rates may apply.
na
Text demo to
fracture.
813-813. Every year at about this time, they emerge.
Deliver muna ako ng
People with glazed
cooler.
wandering aimlessly like zombies through mattress stores. They come in search of the perfect mattress, but buying a mattress can be as confusing as figuring out what a non-fungible token is. Should you get an Innerspring mattress? How about memory foam? Is latex good for the planet? What if you're a hot sleeper? At Saatva, we get it. You've got questions. The Saatva Sleep Blog has the answers. Answers to questions about all 9 different types of mattresses. That's right, there are 9 different types. If you spend 30 minutes reading the blog, you'll be rewarded with 10 to 15 years of peaceful, restful, luxurious sleep. Not to mention a surefire way to avoid becoming a mattress zombie. Visit saatva.com/blog. Or if you're too sleep deprived to remember that, just Google Saatva blog, where you'll find everything you ever wanted to know about mattresses. It's all there in the Saatva blog.
Do you own $10,000 or more in credit card debt or personal loans? Credit card debt hit all-time highs. Debt relief advocates urgently notifying consumers that debt relief does not only have to pay back a fraction of what they owe. This is not bankruptcy or a debt consolidation loan. This is a relief program that credit card companies would rather you not know about, as it ends your debt nightmare and saves you lots of money. Consumers owing at least $10,000 in credit card debt or personal loans can now take advantage of this debt relief as the cost of living skyrockets. Debt relief advocates has established a relief hotline for you to call to learn what debt reduction you may qualify for. So don't wait. For this free information, call the relief hotline at 800-522-7075, 800-522-7075, 800-522-7075.
Brett Podolsky, co-founder of the Farmer's Dog. We make fresh, real food for dogs. It sounds so simple, and it is. But for decades, pet food companies have spent billions of dollars advertising that ultra-processed pellets are shouldn't feed your dogs ever seen. My experience with my own dog, Jada, made me realize that there was another way. For years, Jada had constant issues. Can I talk about oops on the radio? I tried everything until a veterinarian recommended I feed her fresh food. It was a complete turnaround. That's why we started the Farmer's Dog. So every dog can experience the benefits of a truly healthy diet. It's not fancy. It's just fresh, whole food, delivered right to your door. Pre-portion-free organs, unique meats. It's better for them and easier for you.
Get 50% off your first box at thefarmersdog.com/news. That's thefarmersdog.com/news. Whether it's her first Mother's Day or her 40th, she deserves more. Shop tons of stunning entre jewelry for every budget at Diamonds Direct. Diamond fashion jewelry, beautiful birthstones, everyday pearls starting at just $200. Covering the real loves of her life with a gorgeous pendant featuring the birthstone of the one who made her mom. This Mother's Day, Diamonds Direct has everything you need to say thank you. Diamonds Direct, your love, our passion. Online at diamondsdirect.com.
The eye clinic. Spring in the fall.
Columbia University will cancel commencement. We don't want to disrupt our children. We'll give you 8 of the 10 demands because we don't want to upset our children. We don't want them to cry. And then you have places like George Washington University where a final solution sign was there on April 26th. And for 12 days this continued. And I understand it's not all George Washington because the mayor wouldn't come in or wouldn't let the police come in. I don't know what went on there. But this should not stand. You need parents, you need discipline, or else you're going to have children who behave like this. Same thing as the psychology between a parent and a child. Tammy, what happens next? Are we too late?
No, and I think that everybody's hit on this at a bit of 3 points here, is that when you see the news coverage, it looks like it's everywhere all the time. Black Lives Matter, that was a movement. Estimated 20 million Americans having marched or taken some action regarding the death of George Floyd. That was undeniable, perhaps the biggest movement in American history. This is a couple of hundred people arrested in Colombia, 33 people arrested at the Fashion Institute, a couple of dozen people trying to rush the Met, 40 campuses, but it shows you that very few, as you mentioned, Kaylee, very few can shut everything down if they are allowed to. So the problem is with the adults. The problem is with the university administrators taking their cue, perhaps, from months and years of kind of general malevolence from Biden and not caring and ambivalence and everything else. So this is what ends up happening. And it's not clear. It looks like, oh, this is a movement. No, it's not. It's very few people destroying things for tens of thousands. Columbia, 33,000 enrolled students. A couple of hundred people stopped everything for them. This can be stopped, but they're choosing not to because it might show the power of the police and remind people about the importance of the rules.
Harris, I wanted to get your thoughts on this because it's put you off than me. Senator John Fetterman weighed in on this with Brett Baer on Special Report, knocking the anti-Israel protesters, essentially saying they are doing no good. What good will it serve? What exactly are they calling for? Watch.
I'm not even sure what they're really, protesting about. If you ask them, they're not really sure. They can't, and now they're not talking about ceasefires anymore. And now they're talking about divesting and arming Israel, and that it's crazy. It's actually working against peace in Gaza. And Hamas is convinced that they've won the PR war, and they keep seeing all these kinds of protests across the nation on these campuses. And it's not helpful, but it's actually peace.
Senator Fetterman is saying what we all know true when people show you who they are, as Maya Angelou said. Believe them. So they're showing us they don't care about the Palestinians. And I've been saying for weeks, I want them to find Gaza on a map. Not blindfolded. Just show me where it is. Show me further where you are. They don't want peace. Look at this. Does this look peaceful to you? No. And, Tammy, I get your point about it not being a movement, although there were 1,000 people who would come out to that gala thing. So that could have gotten out of hand in a heartbeat. But NYPD is rock stars. So, there's that. But now it is spreading to a place that I'm curious about. So Morehouse College today became the first HBCU that I know of to see that the Jewish hate, so on and so forth. And why does that matter? Well, but one, he just spent $7 billion investing, and actually former President Trump had spent a lot investing in HBCUs too, was very so far, no school's money is in jeopardy. Would anybody's be? Well, here's how he did it. He spent American Rescue Funds on it and COVID relief money. To do that means a lot to those colleges. That, in fact, is the very one that on May 19th he's going to speak at, Morehouse College. I don't know if you saw the live video last week, or last hour rather, but it looks a lot like what we just had on the screen. So this is spreading, and it's spreading to a bunch of people that he cannot win without the black vote. So what is that going to look like? I just put it out there so everybody knows what's going on.
Well, next to a major development in former President Trump's election case in Georgia, a court will review an appeal on whether DA Bonnie Willis should be disqualified from the trial. We will give you a live report next. As disturbed, Slipknot and more prepare to invade Welcome to Rockville Festival. With an exclusive limited engagement deal, Rockville Radio, now for a limited time in the Sirius XM app. Get wall-to-wall coverage and performances from the Rockville Myth Festival. Starting Friday, 3 p.m. Eastern, noon Pacific, on Octave, Channel 37.
Hi, I'm Dr. Dino Prado, and as you know, Envita Medical Centers have been transforming cancer with the highest form of personalized treatment and the newest technologies. Today, I'm proud to announce the first ever nationwide employer healthcare plan that gives you access to the best doctors, hospitals, and first ever integrative medicine, all while reducing your costs. Finally break free from the constraints of rising costs and large insurance companies. To learn more, visit us at envitahealth.com, E-N-V-I-T-A health.com.
Lindora Weight Loss and Wellness is leading a movement in metabolic health. With a long 50-year brand history, now franchising for the first time, Lindora offers everything from weight management programs and the latest innovations in weight loss medications, injections, hormone therapies, IV therapy, and more. Lindora's team has decades of health, wellness, and franchising expertise to generate strong brand awareness in every market and operate successful locations. Visit onalindora.com to inquire about franchise opportunities in your market.
Is your car still under warranty? No, not anymore. My mechanic just suggested an extended service plan from Ox Car Care. Ox Car Care? Yep, Ox will cover your car repair bills if anything happens to the car. New brakes, a transmission, AC, or engine problems. Plus, Ox Car Care offers free oil changes, tire rotation, and roadside assistance.
Wait, you pay nothing on the repairs? Ox just gets it fixed? Free oil changes, free tire rotation, and free roadside assistance? What's the number?
Yep, you don't pay, Ox pays. Ox even has a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's A+ rated on the Better Business Bureau. They handle their claims from start to finish, unlike the other warranty companies. Here's the number, 800-811-8739.
The last thing I need is an unexpected car repair bill. I'm calling Ox Car Care now.
Call Ox Car Care for your free quote, 800-811-8739, or online at oxcarcare.com. Ask about senior and military discounts. Don't get stuck with a major car repair bill. Call Ox Car Care today, 800-811-8739.
Are you a victim of the timeshare trap and think there's no way out? I'm Chuck McDowell, founder of Wesley Financial Group, the original timeshare cancellation expert. And I'm here to tell you that there is a way out. All you need to do is give my office a call. I will send you a timeshare exit information kit absolutely free, explaining how the timeshare industry works and your options for cancellation.
Call now for your free info kit. 800-969-5511. That's 800-969-5511.
Cars for not just for cars. We accept all kinds of real estate too. Vacant land, homes, commercial properties. We've handled them all. Got an unused property racking up bills? Consider donating it to Cars for Kids. It's easy. And Cars for Kids takes over all expenses. Best of all, you'll get a tax deduction for the full appraised value of the property. Join thousands of donors and make the smart choice for your property. Visit carsforkidsrealestate.org or call 877-CARS-FOR-KIDS to learn more. That's Cars with a K.
I'm Amy Aaron, founder of Madison Reed, a hair color company I named after my daughter. Madison Reed has over 55 crochet